Social activist R.K. Sanayaima has stressed on the need for all indigenous communities in Manipur to come together against external forces which is trying to break Manipur. The social activist was speaking while attending the Patriots' Day observance which was organized by Imphal Manipur Youth League. Speaking further, R.K. Sanayaima remembered the sacrifices of forefathers in defending the land. He said, taking the example of courage and valor of the martyrs of 1891 Anglo-Manipur War, youths in Manipur are standing resolute against any threat to the territorial integrity of the state.
British na conquer tobong ang kidaba koi Manipur masa singgi lepak ning bagi wakalon amun lepak kidamak ning khata bagi damak thawai kathopang ang bagi wakalon de mokoi na mai ti pi bang pide mati matung tak pada pan Manipur youth lek na 1969 dagi ano yo sagatana matam dagi miro singda na hauri miro singda lepak ning bagi wakalon sando kibado maduna ngasi phau satar kwasina ngasi de lepak kanni Puruk kani ani song thok kiwana maya mama handaki oil film sesu akoin uri mase matam pumbada isan sitna Manipur history da leng den le hawga da wadom history oiwa thodong ne na mai haningi sak nagas ase akoi Manipur history gi pari chawa adom wan thok leiwa namisi marong da amani haiwa se ngase sa sing da pawja presenting yamna aruba tan famasida amuke na akoi 1891 da Awak kerja arumba kau lepak ni bayi bayi tu mayam do makoi fidam do neng sing bang tu ka ngasi Manipur dia pun basakam da sing naraga Manipur pagana sang selaiwa mayam sing ase masih Manipur masa pun magna Manipur masa kuring magna masih wakal tamin naraga lepak ni bagi wakal lon sirep adu belon na lepin da bang tu ka harus ai sa sing ngasi pau. Thank you.